What's the plan, Eli?
Golden hour, 10 minutes. Aiden is coming. The view is gorgeous. Oh
my god, I'm so excited!
We'll be doing the whole shoot on one lens. Check this out. You can work with that. Okay.
Okay. To funeral. It's perfect.
Yeah. So, we're shooting on the famous Nifty 50. It's wonderfully compact and perfect for portraiture.
Wait, oh my god!
Oh, get out of here! Hold on!
Oh yeah!
I find that prime lenses inspire a way of working that balances creativity and limitation.
Wow, cool!
And we ended up finding ideas we hadn't noticed before. Okay, that was more than 10 minutes. Because the 50 is such a wide aperture, we could still shoot even when the light had mostly disappeared. And that is how you rock a golden hour shoot.